Hi everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will explain you about how you can solve the auto restarting problem in your device Samsung S22 and Samsung S22 Plus. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move toward the video. So if your phone is having the issue about the auto restarting, like you are not restarting but it's automatically restarted again and again, you can solve this problem as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and let's solve the issue.